Hello children, let us today start Unit 2 Reading C, Sushruta, an ancient plastic surgeon. Sushruta, an ancient plastic surgeon. Are you ready? All of students? Are you ready? Right. In 21st century, we are experiencing getting experience of different kinds of inventions in medicine. Still, some inventions has to be made as the scientists are working very hard. Right. But whatever the inventions are present today, these also were some years ago invented by some ancient surgeons. In this particular chapter, we are going to learn about a great personality, great plastic surgeon. He is Sushruta. Have you listened this name before? You listen in Peru Vinnara. Did you listen this name before it? Okay, let us see. Who was he? It was midnight when Sushruta was awakened by a frantic knocking at the door. Frantic, painful. Frantic. It was midnight when Sushruta was awakened by a frantic knocking at the door. Sushruta was sleeping in his room. Midnight. Someone came and knocked repeatedly on the door. Knocked the door. Who is out there? Asked the aged doctor, taking a lighted torch from its socket in the wall and approaching the door. It didn't happen. He asked, who is there outside? Who is knocking at the door? He took the torch and went toward the door to open it. To this question, the answer he received, I am a traveler, my revered Sushruta. I am a traveler, was the anguished reply. Anguish means painful. Anguish means painful, badha. Okay. A tragedy has befallen me. I need your help. The stranger said, I am a traveler. I am a stranger. And tragedy had befallen me. Means, I am in a problem and I want your help. Meanwhile, Sushruta opened the door. When he saw was a man kneeling before him, tears flowing from his eyes and blood from his disfigured nose. Then, as well as Sushruta opened the door, what did he see? As well as he opened the door, he found the stranger. He knelt down, touching the feet of Sushruta, kneeling down before him. Right. The tears were rolling from his eyes and his nose was disfigured, means his nose was damaged, injured. Blood was oozing out from the nose. Raktam kartundi. Get up, my son, and come in, said Sushruta. You see, that is the generosity and kindness of old people. You see, in your home also, elderly people are there, your grandparents, Nanama, Tata, okay, Ammama, right? These are people, you see. Suppose you injured, they show much more affections towards you, is it? And say, but there is a relation between you and your grandparents. But here there is no relation, he is a stranger. Even though the Sushruta, the surgeon, showed kindness towards the man and asked to get up, my son, and come in. Everything will be all right. But be quiet now. But be quiet now. Don't worry. I will help you. Everything will be fine now. Calm down. Kangar padaku. He led the stranger to a neat and clean room with the surgical instruments on its walls. Yes. He took him to the room, surgical room, where on the walls, surgical instruments. What instruments are used while doing surgery? Let me know. What instruments? Scissor. Again, cotton. Again, medicine to control the blood from oozing out. Again, different. Right? See here. Means such surgical instruments were placed on the walls. It was a room where surgery used to, means he used to do surgery of the patients. He took him to that room. He washed his face with the water and the juice of medical plant. Sushruta washed the face of the stranger with water and some juice of medicinal plants. He then offered him a mug of wine and began preparing for the operation. Oh my God. Without giving anesthesia injection, Sushruta started operation, surgery. How do you feel? Suppose a doctor is cutting your skin without giving injection to you, how do you feel? Will you feel happy? Too much pain, painful. But you see, before starting his surgery, Sushruta gave him a mug of wine. Mandu ichadu, tagadaniki. And previously, see, nowadays we are using anesthesia injection, okay, to make the body senseless. In olden days, Sushruta used a mug of wine to dumb his senses, patient's senses. After the mug of wine is given, Sushruta started operation, surgery. And then see, he began for preparing the surgery operation. With a large leaf of a creeper brought from the garden, he measured the size of the stranger's nose. Now, how he is preparing to make the surgery of his nose? He got a big leaf from a creeper. Creeper there's a tiga, creeper. Creeper means tiga, plant with grows with the help of another tree. It is called tiga, creeper. He got a big leaf to measure the size of the nose of the stranger. Okay. And then taking a knife and force from the wall, he held them over a flame and he took the instruments for surgery. What are they? A knife and forceps. And he hold the knife and forceps on the flame. Agi meeda pettadu pattukunnadu to make it too much hot. See. He held them over the flame and cut a strip of flesh from the stranger's cheek. Okay. You see, to do plastic surgery, to do surgery, nose is disfigured, it requires some flesh. That's why Sushruta took the forceps and knife and hit it on the flame and took the piece of a flesh from his cheek and placed on his nose. See. The man mourned. Mourned means expressed a sorrowful voice. Okay, created sorrowful voice. But the wine had numbed his senses. Okay. When Sushruta cut his cheeks, flesh from the cheek, it is called mourning. The stranger mourned, but whatever the wine was given to the particular stranger, it numbed his senses. There was not much more pain, little bit pain was there. After bandaging the cut in the cheek, Sushruta cautiously inserted 2 pipes into the stranger's nostrils and transplanted the flesh to the disfigured nose. Then he took at first flesh from the cheek of the stranger and he sent 2 pipes in his nostrils to give shape to the nose. He sent 2 pipes in the nostrils and placed the flesh on the nose and he transplanted the nose with the flesh from the cheek. మాస్ ఇక్కడ తీసుకొని ఇక్కడ డిస్ఫిగర్ నోస్కి ఓకే ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంట్ చేసి he set the nose properly by keeping 2 pipes in his nose. Molding the flesh into shape, he dusted the nose with powdered liquoric, red sandalwood and extract of Indian barberry and see. What did he do? He took the particular flesh from the cheek, just patted, give the shape of the nose. He placed on the nose, damaged nose, wounded nose, and he applied some powder of liquoric red sandalwood and extract of Indian barberry. He applied some powder on it, okay, to cure rapidly. For rapid cure, he applied some powder as well as which powder? Liquoric red sandalwood powder and extract of Indian barberry. He applied on his nose. He then enveloped the nose in cotton. After the flesh is fixed, powder sandalwood is placed on it. Fast recovery. He took the cotton. He then enveloped the nose in cotton, sprinkled some refined oil of sesame on it, and finally put a bandage, and surgery completed. At first, took the big size leaf. He took the measurement of the nose, placed the particular leaf on the cheek. He got one knife and he put on the flame, made too much heat and cut the size of the leaf, the cheek from the flesh from the cheek. Again he placed on the nose, applied powder of liquoric sandalwood and Indian barberry, fast recovery, and later he enveloped the nose in the cotton, and then again he applied some oil of sesame. He sprinkled in the form of shower the sesame oil on his nose and finally put a bandage on it. In this way, surgery completed. Right, okay students, let us stop here and rest of the lesson let us in the next period. Till that, have a nice day.